Vita FM Facebook page and live on air ni Andra ni mati binakan binaka dem ser binaka
beautiful morning. It may be drizzling in outside,
Wow.
but we can also see a ray of sunshine,
Wow.
which is a good sign.
Good sign.
Sara, especially to the students who will be who are boarding the bus, the taxis, or the private cars to go to school this morning. I hope that you will enjoy today's learning.
Yeah.
Right. Bikam nikat Sara ngastimuli. Maramatina ni sama wali to kamay. Sama still making breakfast this morning. We welcome you to Ouch Palangi Show this morning.
Good morning to everyone. Some of us will thinking who will be look after the children. Maybe they are coughing, maybe they are fever because we want to go to work. That's the na about to lewan ren dua as a parents to do in a home. To walk, meli daka or look after the children.
Tuwak na?
To walk.
duck walk.
Duck walk me. Talaga na to.
Yan binaka to all our friends from tuning from overseas, wherever you are. I will say yan binaka to all the deck workers and mati
Yes,
of Australia. Makakin New Zealand na ngonong gobyerno na lubibiti. Era sama cukup mana tok lalo baki burbura mai Dubai. Era budi be kapan dong bola itu cukin na ngonong go. Ling be grabe tempat tak no visa and people no ni be grabe kin and be se burbura. Makakin na be no daling ni wow. Era budi be tokan yan bunu lewo iya. And mati balu
Iya.
Not bunu and baka tambi sini ko. Era bila to all the nurse, the doctors,
Yes.
hospital workers tuning this morning. Buka kita bikin ninta betok ninta mate. Itu baru sudah bikin ni. Nabi hotel di pulang isar benon yang mata binaka. Nabi kor menasa sebagai belum nak bentari. Ada buru be tinggal mian nama tak di bengkar di kuah. Niar binaka itu kini Stokono.
Iya. KH 850 turang atau sekali.
Dor mo binaka.
Nasa imbitu?
Nasi bitu.
Daw bola binaka. Ba ni binatal to nga ni boy?
Iya.
Na ngoni turangan na apa?
Na itu kini bus stand lebih
Ya,
sudah.
Raila.
Right.
Okay. Demesi,
My father.
what would you prefer? Na touch phones and a button phone?
For me, button phone.
Why?
And then why you don't have the button phone?
Because no more coming.
Okay,
Okay, the button phone, because they endure more. Okay, Roro, you carry from one place to another.
Ikaw mga go, less temptation.
No, it's temptation. Hey, this one is very temptation apart from this one. If you call, you change the battery. Now the battery of the touch screen is sealed together.
Yes.
In the past, the button phone and the very fast charging and hardly low battery.
Right. Like
Yeah.
long lasting, eh?
If I type I love you, it take me 5 minutes.
Right.
Because to look for the wording inside the button phone. See?
Right. Because one button has 3 letters, eh?
Yeah.
Right.
You have to press, if you want to press C,
Right.
you have to
Yeah.
press 1, 2, 3 and
Right.
And you play snakes there.
C. Right.
Lalu tu mereka niya tu na dot.
So, dada ba bita na kaya binakakira na button phone na bita na
Yeah.
point.
One,
Iyo.
very easy to carry from
Right.
one place to another. The second thing, it's put in mumbitan dalingam.
Iyo.
It's very question to kata-kata.
Yeah.
Unlike this one,
Iyo.
touch screen, the more time you use, the hotter
Right.
they
It
are.
becomes.
Yeah.
Iyo.
So one is that. Another thing, they are very, very hard to low battery.
Iyo. Right.
Yeah, the button phone.
Iyo.
And another thing, if you press,
Iyo.
you take the press.
Yes.
When you press, or when you sit on it, it won't broken. Nangonan dadang bito tulong tatangay muri. Ang tambe na yan.
Iyo.
It's very hard to broken. Kwango,
The
pangamin ko,
disadvantage of the touch screen?
when you sit on it, that thing kaput.
Right.
O,
It
But it's more
vibrate.
expensive than...
kaya baka mantang ngay luto. Raw mantang yung mga takaminom poly touch na button.
Iya.
Because how hard is them
Iya.
when they take from our place? And another thing,
What?
networking.
Networking.
Networking very easy to catch.
Na button phone?
Na button phone. So na po na siniketch kino telefoni
Iya.
touchscreen.
Iya.
Catch kino ko.
Ya bikin mereka kada kawan na bikin na kura kanjing ta kinoko ya nindo bunta ko kada kado senta tu na message
Right.
na dapat na button phone
Yeah.
kan ni into bitu ko na telepon mi bale to
Yeah.
kera na mai bale na telepon ni tu cikor telendro to cek ta kan ko na baciri ko to kan ni titi
guys ini kelapa di voice
Iya.
record tuh, voice record na call. Kaya kami ngirmayan tuh, record. Na kaya daw tiko, mo na features talaga.
Iya.
Ito ko, it's
No,
in the
saru
small
tamanda.
phone. Yes. You can even blacklist numbers
See?
from that small phone.
Saro
Touch
tamo.
phone.
Yes.
LTC, man.
Okay. Daule po na nga una hindi Messi. Okay, that's the second one Daule po na nga una daw nanarbagir kaya nung tangka si Tuke yun sa tukaningan Because when they were sulu tanga, there's one big 3/4 inside.
Yeah.
Right.
Why they Messi? Why do they?
Because their time, sa mataw, it's like their life. Because their time of schooling, setar kinabimok. So whenever they, batania kangay kumamototak, whatever you doing when you are young, it will become a norms in your life.
Habits. Okay, from my side, because this is according to my Nana Lebu, who has passed on, she believes that it keeps them warm. Matala sulbatanga mantay.
Iya.
When you are wearing it, ako mamare. It's when you are wearing sulbatanga, make sure there's tights inside or
Iya.
trousers inside.
May takat-takat.
Iyo.
Okay.
To let them, because that
That's why
time during
most,
the punishment,
Yeah.
That's
during the
yeah.
punishment, nangon ni moku.
Yeah.
My kuribuli, it should look like a trousers conference. Baka may trousers in conference.
Conference, yeah.
So you were inside to protect you from punishment. Ngon ni moku. Because ngamay nga nangon niya, may daw ni sa lingkas. Kaya nakarua, or talaga ng bumbu, or nabi nakatala, meron tara na tutu. Nangon ni wasul watong. Wata kaya nangon ni... Because to help them, some of them, they go to the church, they coming. They, after that, they collect firewoods. Erda buka kanamay.
Right.
Some of them daw suwa-suwa totolo ngonin tanisi. Mbuto ko na mbele insul batang mikaku ni mandua si saka-saka tutu nangonan ni tudakir kay luto na sulubato nga mindua to kami tukumay lama metataratu.
Okay.
So gay kaya karotel nga iliw. So to help them to may baka rin reta ka ng rabindo muntal ba't kayo dua. Ba't iba sulubato nga roro Dito mo itong tersilo mo kaya baka rin reta. It more time. Kanyele una nga una. Mula mina kami bili mo na John Kumar.
Asal turba, ano binaka may landi.
Tata ko makita nga, wey, na security na defense kami lang katunangon ko iliw, duatan. Bato irerang kalau mo na siya. Kako sa nimbela. Kako sa nimbela na.
Lagay tulog yan naman.
So the conference has one main purpose.
Kuya.
To stop them from what? Bilyang again.
Biar again, Cemerlay envelope. Hey! Ano na ka bro? Ay sa kawitana. Angon na na.
Malam-mal Kaya kantor tukan di mana may malam may tao.
Iya.
Cuma lama diri ko tatril ko.
Kanina bang gori? Ano luto kami kinabosan tatabuti may panimbula. Ngo na nil by mouth.
Itu raga siguro ko taman diri ko.
Okay, ronga talaga
the first line of defense na diri ko ta.
First line of
Torna
defense.
kasi kay tumengo re-expense tumir to.
Amantangan ko kenda fix na ngusu. Kondo to kuno ngumbumbu. Kemnindo rala wata biliu. Atu kuno ka. Oya undong giring-giring dawlid. Ni sabi tarabi nga nawan kita ira. Asa kelas artungelo amarong ko na luto. Iyon do tani balita na mero to kina na ipado. Irtu nambati. Eron lalaki na koron yung bimbin niya.
Wey, sakali. Yabe kami na ka do talaga nakabo da reda ni kuha. Na pagka terus si kaki Pero tangga skirong ko tanang na kiro na terus kaki mai.
Iya.
Ko ngang ko sa alusar weekend. Di naman tanga ni terus balabot tusul baka tongat siguro mo.
Taboy. Nanda ke state, mi ambulare ga amasi.
Wey, sakali.
Mi ambulare. Salome tinay, ang rabi nakataw. Abi dolo bina sambe to nandi. John Evo, bula bina weka.
Pilmon pala na yaw, yan
Iya.
binaka, yan ra.
Kami na kada no da
Ouch palang.
Outs palang isu matag di pinggir ko. Ni kasi takot yan ni like matag no muhat. Ano matag binang di ko. Meto na matag maro isu bola. Pag di pinag bunin garabi tabi ngoko.